welcome back to the channel. Today we are fishing in the Socks and Cookies Kickin' Bass for Troops charity event. So supporting a good cause. They support deployed U.S. military, and all the proceeds go to that, sending them care packages, take care of their family, stuff like that. So supporting a good cause today. We're out here. The rules are it's the Oklahoma event, so you can fish any public water in Oklahoma. So I'm out here right now. It's about 6:40. It started at 6, but it's been so dark. Sun's just now peeking up. I can make an intro. Guys, we're gonna get out here and try to catch them. 5 fish limit, 10-inch minimum. Gonna try to catch 5. Y'all come along. Yes, let's freaking go, baby. Yes, 1975, y'all. 19 3/4. That's the way you start the freaking day. Let's go. Yes. Oh man, I got blown up on again. Next cast got blown up on again. Dang. Alright, that fish blew up on the buzzbait the second cast right after I released that fish. He blew up on it but didn't get it. It looked like a really nice fish. But he was sitting right over here. I'm gonna throw the fluke at him. See if I can get him to bite. Alright, let's just keep chugging along with this. I'm going to remember where this fish is. Just going to keep chugging along with this buzzbait. He was in the exact same spot as that other fish. Oh. Fish came up and smashed the buzzbait. Good one, about a 16-incher. The fish come completely out of the water to get that buzzbait. I missed it. Good one. Right where he was supposed to be. Alright, fish number 2. $16.75. Let's go, guys. Three, 14 and a half, 14 and a half. Got blown up on the water park. Dang. I set the hook too fast. And I think I drifted away from him. Didn't give him a chance to eat it. I heard it and then got excited and set the hook. Haven't had a bite in a couple minutes. Scared me. I've already fished over this twice, once with a square bill and once with a buzzbait. So maybe there's something to the whopper flopper. Let's try the buzzbait again. Got one. He's a goodie. Stay on there, fish. Stay on there. Number 4, baby. Yes, 18 and a half. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Get another one like that. Okay, so I just threw my buzzbait back there towards the back of this creek, and it's so shallow I can't even get my pedal drive to work. But I pitched a Texas rig in there first, landed on top of a giant, and he swirled, but I just had one chase my buzzbait. See if we can get him to eat it. Oh no, he almost came out. Yes, caught number 5. Finally. Man, I haven't had a bite in hours. Oh, thank God. Oh man. Finally, man, I thought I had the curse of 4 fish. The last couple tournaments I've been in, I get hung up at 4 fish, and it's so hard to catch that limit fish. Just caught a really nice one. Let him take a drink. Yes. I threw him up on the deck of the kayak. I'm lucky that the hook was in there, because if it was, he'd be gone. Oh, thank you. He ate the Texas rig yum craw. Christy craw, I think. Maybe not. I can't tell you how good that feels. Finally. 1675, y'all. Thank goodness. Man, it is so good to see you. Thanks, bud. Oh man, it makes it all worth it. All right, guys. So I caught the first 4 fish I caught on this KVD Strike King triple blade. It's a little buzz bait. Dropped it and hooked myself. And then I had a yum, I'm sorry, was it a yum? No, a Zoom swimming fluke as a trailer on the back. That got the first 4 bites, and then the last bite came flipping a stump with this watermelon red yum craw with a 3/16 sinker. We're gonna go submit our fish right now, and we'll get back with y'all when we find out how we did. All right, so we ended up coming away with a 2nd place finish. It feels really good after having a little bit of bad luck in my last few videos to finally put together a limit, come away with a decent finish. Ended up with second place. So super thrilled about that. Guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. You guys don't understand how much I appreciate it. And if you want to stay around a little bit longer, I'm going to show you guys that may not know how to get involved into tournaments, and specifically the Socks and Cookies tournament, because it's for a good cause. Okay, guys, to start fishing these tournaments, just go to the App Store, type in TourneyX. 90% of all the tournaments are on TourneyX Pro that we do online on Kayak events. So here's what the app looks like. And so you download that, create an account, and then from there you can go to tourney registration. You can see all the tournaments that are listed there. You can join a lot of those, but specifically type in Kickin Bass for troops, and you can see all the tournaments listed. There's only one more left this year, so you can see it there, and you can go and register for that. But they'll have more tournaments next year. It's for a really good cause, guys, and this is how you guys can get involved for pretty cheap, and you can fish any water that's public.